Good evening, YouTube. It's been a little bit. Got a $30 cash explosion. Ticket number 10. Playing the corners a little bit, and look what I popped off on the very first corner. Got the 10 times symbol. In the first position. Let's continue though. See if we can find any helpers. 51. 48. 31. 49 does not match. 4. 42. 17. 45. 23. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. There we go. We can get a little more of the ticket in. 24. 9. 11. 6. 5. I think this is all I'm going to see is a 10x symbol. 55. 41. Haven't seen a combo with anything yet, so that doesn't mean anything. A 12. A 30. 29. Last row. 8. Nope, second last row. 8. 47. 7. 3. 22. 25, 13, 28, 54, and 44. Now 10x in the top position on ticket number 10. Wide zeros. If it's an L, we know what it is. $100. Well, can't win them all, so at least it's a $100 winner. It could have been a loser, so thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. I'll probably put more Scratcher content up. I'm just not regular at posting, but when I find a good hit, you'll see it. Talk to you soon.